The Bengaluru Police have registered an FIR against Suma S, Sahukar, daughter of KPSC Chairman Shivashankarappa S, Sahukar, for allegedly securing selection to the post of junior engineer in the Department of Industries and Commerce by submitting a false income and asset certificate to claim reservation benefits under the 3B category. According to the FIR filed by KPSC Assistant Secretary at Udyoga Sauda, Suma allegedly declared her family's annual income as 40,000 rupees in her application submitted during the KPSC recruitment process in March 2024. However, during the document verification, the KPSC found that her father had been serving as a KPSC member since September 3, 2019, drawing a basic monthly salary of around 2.5 lakh rupees. He was later appointed as KPSC chairman on April 5, 2021 with a basic monthly salary of approximately 2.25 lakh rupees apart from other acceptable allowances. According to the complaint, the commission concluded that the family's actual annual income was significantly above the prescribed limit for availing reservation benefits under the 3B category. It also stated that the income declared in the certificate did not match the service records and salary details of her father and was initially inconsistent with the eligibility criteria for the claimed reservation category. Police said the investigation is at a preliminary stage. They are verifying the authenticity of the documents submitted during the recruitment process and examining the circumstances under which the income certificate was obtained and used. Further action will be taken based on the findings of the investigation. Meanwhile, in an order dated July 10, 2026, Karnataka Governor Thaawarchand Gehlot suspended KPSC Chairman Shivashankarappa S, Sahukar under the provisions of Article 317 Clause 2 of the Constitution of India, pending further orders from the President of India. The order stated that the suspension was aimed at upholding constitutional morality and protecting the dignity of the Karnataka Public Service Commission. The governor also directed the senior most member of the KPSC to function as the chairman of the commission until further orders. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.